Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix wireless display couldn't install error in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The best solution that I could recommend you is here you need to update your machine to the latest update. Okay? So just click on checked for updates and it will check for latest update that you could install or download in your Windows, okay? So just have to finish on downloading and install, and once done, just have to restart your computer, and once you are in the latest version, I'm sure your problem will be fixed. Okay, so that's the very first solution that I could recommend you. Okay? So the second step that I could show you is here at the bottom search bar, you need to search for internet options. Okay, so once the best match would appear, double tap to continue so that this new window would appear. Here it has different options, and in our case, we'll be proceeding to advanced. Click on it, scroll down, okay, and look for all of these options with starting with use. Now we need to try to check all of this. Okay, click on apply and then okay. Once done, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, so let's see if it doesn't. Then let's move on to our next step, which is here at the bottom search bar. We need to search for settings. Wait for the best match to appear. Once it's there, double tap to continue. So here at the settings, directly proceed to the left side of your screen where you can see network and internet. Click on it and go with Wi-Fi. Okay. So here you can see there an option metered connection. Okay. Just click this. Okay. So that you would be able to see such. And there you can see metered connection. Some apps might work differently to reduce data usage when you're connected to this network. Make sure that this is off. Okay? Once done, close this window and check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? So that's it. Hopefully this video helps you to fix your problem. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.